You got everything in here, don't you? So you got scribes, countersinks, hammers, screwdrivers. And here's the glasses, safety glasses, wrenches, C-clamps, calipers, dividers, rulers. Let's see. It's nice in this place. Who's that? This is how we do it. She got my boots. Then there's Hunter. Yeah. For Christian. Hunter. See, we did this to Christian's locker.